Good morning, traders, and welcome to a daily call today, Wednesday, the 1st of August. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's session. And from the US, we saw the consumer confidence number come in at 127.4. That was a very strong number. It seems that people in the US are still spending and they're quite happy with the situation. The tax cuts, which are putting more money into consumers' pockets, is working, and they are definitely spending more. The US dollar had a good night, particularly against the yen and the pound at the release of this news. From Japan, we saw the monetary policy statement come in fairly neutral. The yen did move a little bit at some of the comments that were made, and actually it helped us in our US yen trade. For those of you who were on that one, we hit targets on that one as we broke out of those inside candles, and definitely were helped along by the news release on this particular case. From Canada, we saw the GDP numbers come in at 0.5%. That was better than the 0.3%. But earlier during the day, news that the Canadian government would reject the NAFTA agreements definitely put a damper on the US CAD pairs, but later data came in a bit better, so it kind of neutralized out for the day. Alright, let's have a look at our chart of the day. Our chart this morning is our GBP CAD. Incidentally, as I've already mentioned, the US yen from yesterday hit target, so for those of you who are on that, well done. GBP CAD is our chart this morning, and you can see from what I'm showing you, we have a potential of a double bottom situation. All we basically need is for price action confirmation to confirm the reversal for us. So we've got the big candle, and the current candle is sitting inside it. So what we would like is for it to remain as an inside candle, which would then give us the opportunity to place our pending orders tomorrow morning in an attempt to try and trade back up. So it's not ready right now. We still need to wait for that price action confirmation, but there you have it. GBP CAD is our chart of the day. Let's have a look at what's happening in the session, which is about to kick off. It is a very data-filled session kicking off from New Zealand. We have the employment change and the employment rate numbers due out. That's probably about a half an hour's time at 8:45 this morning. From the UK, we have the manufacturing PMI due out at 6:30. Later this evening at 10:15 from the US, we have the private sector employment change numbers, and at midnight we have the manufacturing PMI from the US. Crude oil is at 12:30, and then we have the big one. We have the FOMC statement and the Fed funds rates. Will they or will they not increase their interest rates this particular month, or will they wait another one and delay till September? So that pretty much wraps up all the data for the session. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. I will be in Brisbane tomorrow evening. We're doing a seminar, a Forex trading seminar at the Treasury in Brisbane CBD. If you need the details, get in contact with us. Would love to see you there if you can make it. Otherwise, have a great trading day, and I'll speak to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.